Hey everybody, so today I'm just gonna give you guys a little baby boy baby shower inspiration. This weekend I had the pleasure of attending one of my closest cousins in the world and his beautiful wife's baby shower. I did not put on this event, her sisters actually did, and I think they did a great job. So here's a couple of the highlights and details I did photograph. It was more based upon the colors and like the pattern rather than an actual theme, but it was cute how they put the "Oh baby" against the backdrop. This color kind of mimicked their wedding, so I thought it was a really sweet touch. I didn't get pictures of the food, but it was fried chicken. They had potato salad, chips, sandwiches, some veggie dips, and some sodas and water. Kept it very simple but very good, so it just goes to show you don't need super fancy food. Get food that people actually want to eat, and it will be well worth your money. For games, they kept it super simple. One, when you first walk in, it was like, how many pacifiers can you find? One lady found like almost all of them. I think she found them before everybody even was like able to take part in the game. They also had the diaper raffle. You always know you can never receive enough diapers at your baby shower. They did the like create a baby out of Play-Doh game. I think mine looked like a crazy little alien. They also did the guess the baby's due date, which I thought was a really sweet touch. I will link below to similar items if you guys want to recreate this look, and make sure to subscribe if you like videos like this, and go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. I don't wanna wake up if